seat, the mighty
The beast.
ZR180.
Open it up because I'm not capable.
The legendary K-series.
Oh my god, the shock turrets are all there. Oh my
It's
god.
a clean car, that.
Fucking hell. Will this resurrect it?
I don't know, because this had 2.1 volts in it about 25 minutes ago.
And what does it have now?
12.2.
12.2, that might crank the bastard. How long's the fuel been in this for then, that's in it?
Ah, you cunt.
You
This car
metals.
drove here about 10 years ago.
10 years ago. Wow. Let's see if the fucking K-series will wank up after such a big sleep. Has it got oil on that?
Yeah.
Let's see, it's not fucking run off. Yeah, it's fucking loads on that. Battery shit. Yeah, Hilux. So because the battery doesn't want to do a thing, I've got some chump leads and a Hilux. Oh, that is definitely on. Wow. Wow, fair play. That's 10 years, bro. Sick. Oh, that was... got a bit of mould, but...
I quite like it, mate.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. First drive in 10 years. Yeah? 53,000 miles. It's got some little tactical tree insertions on the back, but apart from the groves, it's fucking pretty good. It sounds really good trees. Yeah, boy.